Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing of Ryan Blaney's 2023 Ford Mustang. Although I'm not going to make Ryan Blaney's Mustang, I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do Kevin Harvick's throwback at Homestead of his championship car. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. Should look really, really good. But let's get the box open and see what everything looks like inside. See if that bottom chassis pan is warped. Let's see what we can come up with. See what we got. I would like to build this car someday because I do like the neon yellow molded in color. Just like, clear coat it and then do the black on it. I think it would look really, really neat. But again, we're not doing that today or on this video series. But the body looks pretty good. Tires look okay. No issues with those. This is where we're going to get into the meat of it. Where I cut this open. Cut this open and see how everything looks on the inside of this. Specifically the black trees. The silver and the white usually are okay. There's one little section of the white that you kind of got to look at, and I'll show you that. Missed a piece that came off the silver tree. First black tree looks all good. It's got the wheels and everything on there. Everything looks in order. But this tree is what you always got to look at. So you can see already it's warped in the front. And pretty substantial too, I would feel like. So I'm going to snip it out of there real quick and kind of show you. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Not the worst I've seen actually, but it's pretty substantial, warped like right in the front there. So you can see how much give there is. We'll find a work way around that, but it's just frustrating to have to deal with, in my opinion. Alright, here's the white molded in tree. This one's usually pretty good. The firewall sometimes has some issues. But this upper cage part, you gotta look at that too, because it likes to be really warped. So much so that it's difficult to put that piece on. So just kind of gotta look out for that. Glass is all clear and good. I'll be using this decal sheet here of the grill and the taillight pieces and window trim. I'll use that decal sheet. This I'll probably use some pieces off of it, but not much. I'm sure the tires and the tire decals and I'll use on it. There's the instructions. They're pretty well useless. There's the decal call out on Ryan Blaney's car. But that's all I've got today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.